You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce this Italian name, as well as how to say more confusing Italian names too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Ferruccio. Ferruccio is how you say it. You have a double R and a double C. C alone in Italian is pronounced like CH, so you want to stress on this double R and double C, make them longer. Ferruccio Lamborghini, for example. Ferruccio in English. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.